For all you Starbucks lovers out there, I am back with another classic drink recipe. I thought that today I'd make a soothing London Fog Tea Latte. The citrusy-floral bergamot brightens the black tea base in this well-known tea. If you've ever been to Starbucks and had this drink or wanted to try it, join me in the kitchen for this super simple and quick recipe. This takes less than 10 minutes to make. We'll start by bringing 2 cups of water to a boil. While the water is boiling, open 4 bags of Earl Grey tea and place them in a heat-safe measuring cup. Once the water is boiling, pour your 2 cups of water over the tea bags and let them steep for at least 5 minutes. While the tea is steeping, let's get our milk ready to froth. In another microwave-safe measuring glass, pour in 3/4 cup of milk of your choosing. I am using almond milk. Place the milk in the microwave and heat it for about 1 minute or until the milk is steaming. Remove the milk from the microwave and place it on the counter. Using a milk frother, froth your milk until it is fluffy, frothy, and maybe a bit velvety. If you look closely, you can see some of my milk didn't want to become a nice drink and went overboard. The whole frothing process will take about 10 to 15 seconds. After 5 minutes, strain your tea bags, being careful not to burn off your fingerprints. In your coffee mug, add about a teaspoon of granulated sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or extract. If you are a frequent home barista and happen to have vanilla sugar syrup on hand, just use a couple of pumps of that instead. Pour your strained tea into your mug and stir until the sugar has mixed and dissolved. Pour in your frothy milk and top with some of the foam. Finally, sit back and enjoy your day. That's my foolproof recipe for Starbucks London Fog Tea Latte. You don't have to be an Earl to enjoy this tea. I know that when you take a sip of this, you will immediately feel calmer and forget about the worries of the day. You can't beat that. If there is a Starbucks recipe you would like me to make, tell me in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. For news about upcoming cooking videos, follow me on Twitter. Thanks for watching. See you next time.